China Fujian Tiger Machinery Co., Ltd. It is a research and development design of building materials machinery. Production, a national high-tech enterprise integrating sales and service. The company is located at the starting point of China's maritime Silk Road. Quanzhou Fujian, world-renowned special aircraft equipment R&D and manufacturing base. Tiger Machinery is a professional manufacturer of static pressing brick-making machines, automatic brick-making production line block forming machine, manufacturers of automatic coat brick machines and other equipment. The company relies on its unique scientific research capabilities and the production team, continuous breakthrough and innovation, excellence, through their own continuous efforts. The Tiger Machinery Special Plane. To become a well-known brand of special aircraft in China, the company takes quality as the core, based on integrity, according to customer needs, personalized custom building materials automatic production line, tailings, solve the recycling problem of construction waste and solid waste, production of wall bricks, color pavement bricks, water conservancy, slope protection bricks, road rocks and other requirements, use high-quality products, offer a variety of solutions to customers. Tiger Machinery continuous routing solid waste recycling technology, research and development of intelligent special aircraft system, transforming green buildings, promote sustainable development in the industry, relying on the advantages of the maritime Silk Road. The company's products are sold overseas, win international market recognition with reliable quality. Brand influence continues to increase. From equipment manufacturing to full process service, Tiger Machinery provides customized solutions. Customer demand oriented, building a long-term win-win ecosystem.